Hello, welcome to LeadMaster. In this tutorial, you will learn how to combine multi-fields into a single list containing all fields. This video expands upon the tutorial importing data into a multi-select one. Let's start out with our if statement. If H3 in this case equals swim, then it must equal swim with a comma. We want to put a comma after each word so that it will be read as a list. If H3 equals swim, then it is swim. Otherwise, it is a blank. Each column has its own if statement. We will connect these statements with the use of ampersands. If I3 in this case equals run, then it must equal run with a comma. Otherwise, it is a blank. Ampersand. Moving on to the next one. What this means is that whenever there is a jump, Excel will rename it jump with a comma or nothing at all. Let's finish the rest. Once you get the hang of this pattern, you can use this formula to create longer if statements and to manipulate the information and get the type of data you want. Now we have our list. We have created a new field from the second chart. Now we need to copy the formula, select the rows we need, paste special, and select formulas. The information has been translated, but it looks jumbled and not concise, not clean. There are also spaces in between commas and at the end. Let's see how to reformat this. We will add to this formula. To remove the spaces in between, we will use the trim function. You can remember in the last video that the trim function gets rid of spaces in between individual values. We have the first table connected to the second, which is connected to the third table. All are connected. Select the first row in the second column and add the trim. Copy the first cell, select all of the cells in the column, then paste special with formulas. The column looks cleaner. Now that the spaces have been removed, we would like to remove the comma at the end of the statement. To do this, add a new column. We will use a new column called left. Left looks to everything to the left in a field. We must determine how far we want to look and what not to include in our statement. We are just removing the comma, so everything except for the last value is what we want. We want the length of this data -1, which is the comma. Copy, paste special, formulas. Now we have our new column with no commas. In order to import this into LeadMaster, make one last column. Before you import any information into LeadMaster connected to a formula, you must clean the data to prevent error messages. Highlight everything, copy, and paste special, only choosing the values. Now we can import the values safely. This concludes the tutorial on importing data into a multi-select checkbox. Thanks for watching.